Installing a hitch on your Mazda 6 can take you to some really cool places. Camping, bike riding, you could even tow a trailer almost anywhere in the North America. My name's Nicole, I'm from Spokane. Let's show you how to get it done. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. Okay guys, I'm on the driver's side of the vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and show you the 2 attachment points underneath the vehicle. So our hardware is gonna go into these 2 holes. So for each attachment point, we have a carriage bolt and a spacer block. We'll be using our fish wire to pull it through the holes. So with the provided fish wire, we're gonna put the coiled end through the first attachment hole, and we're gonna bring it out of the back of the access hole where we can put our bolt and spacer on it. First, let's put our block in, followed by the bolt. And then we just pull it into place. And we will leave this fish wire here. And we do the same on the second attachment hole. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the passenger side. Okay guys, we're ready to put our hitch into place using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one of these, you'll want to get an extra pair of hands because hitches are heavy. Before we raise this up all the way, we will want to make sure to get our fish wire through the holes of the hitch. Okay, so back on the driver's side, we're going to remove our fish wire and we're going to install the provided flange nuts. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the passenger side. Okay guys, now we're gonna tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufactured specs. I'm gonna be using a 19mm socket to do this. Okay guys, our vehicle's on level ground. Let's get you some important measurements. We've got an 1¼ inch receiver. We've got 5½ inches from the pinhole to the end of the bumper. And we've got 11 inches from the ground to the top of the receiver. That's going to help you determine the length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. My name is Nicole from Spokane, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.